Two of the most popular business credit cards of 2025, Inc. Business Cash and Amex Business Gold, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Inc. Business Cash, tailored for maximizing cash back on daily operations. On the right, Amex Business Gold, offering flexible, high-value rewards for dynamic spenders. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which card comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, quick roadmap before we start. Here's how I'm stacking up these cards. Annual fee, welcome offer, reward earning structure, redemption flexibility, purchase and travel protections, employee card options, how good they are for international use, and, whoa, ideal user. So, a lot to cover. Let's roll. First category, annual fee. Kicking things off with the Chase Inc. Business Cash. This one's got a $0 annual fee, which honestly is a huge sigh of relief if you hate seeing those random charges on your statements every year. The catch, though, you don't get any fancy travel perks with that. So, there's that. Now, jumping over to the Amex Business Gold. Premium vibes here, but it comes at a price. $375 per year. Yeah, I know. But hey, you do get some pretty slick benefits like travel statement credits. It's really about whether those premium perks are worth the cost to you. For most small businesses, no annual fee wins hands down. Now, let's talk welcome offer. With Inc. Business Cash, it's pretty solid. Earn $750 bonus cash back when you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months. That's actually pretty doable for a lot of small businesses. But the overall value? A little less compared to Amex. Amex Business Gold throws down a beastly welcome. 100,000 membership rewards points. But yikes, you gotta spend $15,000 in 3 months. That's a lot. If you can hit that target, though, the bonus is seriously more valuable. Just saying. So, Amex Gold takes the edge here, especially if your business is rolling in expenses. Let's jump into rewards. Inc. Business Cash gives you 5% cash back on your first $25,000 at office supply stores, internet, cable, and phone. That's like big savings for normal everyday stuff businesses actually buy. Plus, 2% back on gas and restaurants, again up to $25,000. After that, it drops, so keep an eye on those category caps. And all your rewards? Just straight up cash back. Not fancy points you can transfer. Now, Amex Business Gold. This one mixes things up. You'll get 4x points on your top 2 spending categories each month, up to a crazy $150,000 a year. That's super flexible. Plus, 3x on flights and hotels, prepaid through Amex Travel. So if you spend all over the place and want travel options, Amex is exciting. Honestly, reward structure here is a major win for Amex. Quick pause. Did you catch this? The Chase Inc. Business Cash Card actually gives you one of the highest cashback rates on office supply purchases, which is pretty wild. So, if reams of paper, toner cartridges, or tech upgrades are clogging your monthly budget, this perk is kinda gold. Anyway, moving on. All right, redemption flexibility. Inc. Business Cash is simple. Cash back as a statement credit or direct deposit. Easy peasy. Not much else in terms of options, though. No travel hacking, no point transfers, nothing like that. Amex Business Gold? Oh, and here's something cool. You can transfer points to over 20 airline and hotel partners, or use their travel portal for boosted redemption value. If you love squeezing out every drop of value from your rewards, Amex is easily the more versatile choice. Moving on to purchase and travel protections. Inc. Business Cash isn't just all about the savings, it's got some legit purchase protection, extended warranty, and best of all, no foreign transaction fee. A bit lacking in premium travel protections, though, so don't bank on trip delays being covered. As for Amex Business Gold, you're getting the big travel insurance stuff. Trip delay, car rental loss and damage, and hey, also no foreign transaction fees. Some features need enrollment, which is a bit meh. Overall, both do a solid job here. Pretty neck and neck, honestly. Employee cards. Super important if you've got a team. With Inc. Business Cash, you get free employee cards, no strings, plus you can set their spending limits. Super useful, super cheap, it's a win. Amex Business Gold, employee cards available, but watch out. Some options have annual fees, and a couple useful features cost extra. So for pure simplicity and saving cash, Chase takes it. Let's talk using these cards internationally. Both cards have no foreign transaction fees, which is, thank goodness, because those charges are the worst. So if your business is hopping borders, either card's safe. No clear edge here. Now, who's the ideal user for each card? Inc. Business Cash nails it for smaller businesses spending big on office supplies, phone, internet, gas, and restaurants. If you're all about local, everyday stuff, it's awesome. But if you're spending tons on travel or have unusual spend categories, it's not optimal. Amex Business Gold, on the other hand, works wonders if your business has all sorts of expenses and your top spend categories kind of shift month to month. Oh, and if you're maximizing redemptions and travel partners, you'll love it. Both have their sweet spots. Just gotta know your own spend. Let's stack up the scores side by side so you can see who edges out where. You'll notice the Chase Inc. Business Cash destroys the annual fee and employee card categories, but Amex Gold absolutely shines when it comes to rewards and redemption options. Some categories, honestly, the differences are razor thin. So here's my final take. If you want to save every dollar and your business lives at places like the office supply store or makes lots of phone calls, Inc. Business Cash is made for you. Zero annual fee, quick ROI, simple rewards. But if your spending is all over the map, you love racking up points, and you want legit travel flexibility, Amex Business Gold is super hard to beat. It comes down to how you spend and what you value more: upfront savings or dynamic rewards. Pick wisely, folks. All right, so what's your vibe? Snag the card that fits your business, boost your rewards, and seriously up your cashback or points game. Want tips for running your business smarter in 2025? Hit follow, stick around, and I'll keep you in the